Hello everyone, today I have a review of another Chinese knife from OK-Knives, model OK-81, in quite an interesting version. A black pouch with the manufacturer's logo for storing the knife. Total length is 21 cm, blade length is 9 cm, blade thickness is 3.6 mm. The steel of the blade is CPM S30V. It's a high-class American powder stainless steel, tempered to 63 HRC. Perfectly keeps its sharpness. Full felt grind. Satin finish. On one side is a logo, that's also the company name, OK. The model's name, OK-81, and the name of the steel, CPM S30V. On the other you can see the serial number, N0077, and an image of a Capricorn in profile. Compression lock, which unlike Spyderco Para Military 2 is built up. I mean, there is no cutout that makes an easier access to the lock, but there is no problem with folding the knife. On the contrary, it's an additional protection against accidental release of the lock. Opening with the hole. The knife runs on ceramic ball bearings. The handle scales are made of transparent red plastic. The manufacturer describes it as acrylic or PEI. It looks great, you can see everything underneath. A version with colorless and yellow scales are also available. Stainless steel pocket clip without any motif. Very good elasticity. Hole for paracord. In summary, and here we have the Paramilitary 2 Slayer, S30V steel, ceramic ball bearings, and for a very reasonable price. A very good quality knife, nothing to complain about, flawless mechanics. There is no way inferior to Spyderco knives, and these transparent handle scales are just great. I love it. That's all it is. Thanks for watching.